Morning everybody, it's Chris here from Serene Education, and it's the 10th of September, Friday at last. I'm just doing the four majors analysis this morning, starting with the Euro-US dollar pair on our CTC strategy template on our preferred platform Metastock Pro. 6 time frames, starting with daily, working our way down to 5 minutes. So let me have a look at the daily and see exactly what happened yesterday. So, back to almost a spinning top yesterday. Not a lot of movement as such. And yet again, you can see how the pair is still testing this little trend line here, support area. We are still in this squeeze. Let me just draw that in quickly. There we go. But you can still see that we're still trading below all three moving averages, and our CTC has gone red negative across the board for the first time since a couple of weeks ago. So a lot of momentum is still sitting on the underside of, well, to the just to the support side of this this trend here, and because we're getting these spinning tops, not a lot of decision at the moment. There's not a lot of decision making at the moment. Very uncertain as to what should be happening next. And subsequently, on the Asian market last night, we had an open. She went slightly lower, but trading at the upper end of the wick at the moment now. So very indecisive still. It's being Friday, so I think a lot of people who have been in this all week will start taking closing positions, or so we could see a bit of a pullback today. Ideally, we want to still stay above this area here to see any chance of more upside movement to at least this trend line here that we see coming down. Otherwise, a close below would definitely see it taking us to at least 1260. Anywhere below 1260, we would see it definitely fall down to other support areas. Let me down here at 1221.50 at least. So be interesting to see. It's been a tough week for the euro. Let's have a look and see what pans out on the intraday time frame. So let's have a look. Well, on the last couple of minutes, we can see that during the Asian market had a slight rally. This is testament on the 4 a.m. this morning. You can see it on the 30-minute, 50-minute, and 5-minute charts. We saw a bit of a rally. It's now taking it to the 200 period moving average on a 5-minute at 1269.00, which is hereabouts on the 50 period. So if the pair can break above this area at 1269.5 at least on a 5-minute, let's just zoom out. So you can see here straight away we've had some support and resistance, support, now resistance area, the 200 period moving average. So in order for this to actually be classified as still positive, we needed to break above the 2695 at least. Bullish. It is bullish here, but ideally a break above this 200 period moving average would confirm that. If not, you can see the resistance level here, the 200's done in the past, and all that will do is just confirm it, and we'll see it headbutt this again and just pull back down again. So at the moment now, trading an uptrend. Look for this breakout, guys. This consolidation breakout. If you want to make some pips, if it fails to break higher, then obviously we look at 1280, then 1266, and then ultimately 12645. So some pips to be made to the downside. If it breaks below here, then we're trading lower than the previous low, and ultimately we're going to see some more downside movement for that pair. Okay, guys, so as it stands at the moment now, euro still capped by a negative trend. So ultimately we're looking for some downside movement. If it breaks above here, then obviously upside movement to 1270.10 will be our next target. I'll be back next with the sterling pair next, and won't be too long. Take care.